How to fix ChatGPT lagging and slow responses problem. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open ChatGPT on your device. I have searched essay and it took so much time. So what you can do is, after writing topic, what you want, you can simply type in summary at the bottom. After you write summary at the bottom, simply press on enter and send it. After you do that, it will create a short paragraph and you will get the responses fast. Another thing you can also write is just write content only and send it. And it will send you short paragraph like before. Also, slow responses can be due to your Wi-Fi connection or your device is not updated. So make sure your Wi-Fi is connected properly and your device is updated to the latest version. And this is how to fix ChatGPT lagging and slow responses. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.